How to add a template to an existing document on Microsoft Word. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily add a template to your existing document on Word. First thing first, open up your existing document on Microsoft Word. I've got this random document here. So let's say if I want to apply a template here, what I can do is go over to File at the top left. And then from here, what you want to do next is go to Options at the bottom. And from Options, you need to go ahead and find an option called Add-ins on the left-hand side of your navigation bar. And then from here, you can find Manage. Click on the drop-down here. You should see an option for templates. Click on it, and then tap on this Go button right besides it. Once you do that, you should be able to attach a template here. So click on this Attach button. Now find your existing template. So what I'll do is go over here to templates, and you can find a normal template or one that's traditional newspaper. So I'll just select this one, tap on Open. Now click on OK. If there are any other global templates you want to add, you can do that from here. I'll just leave it as it is, tap on OK, and the template should be applied to your document. Now just close it out and open it again, and you're good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.